Hi everyone, I'm Slaya and today I'm going to show you how to create a TuneCore account. If you're ready, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to TuneCore.com, the official website of TuneCore. Then click the Sign Up button in the upper right corner. Now let's fill in the requested information truthfully. I also highly recommend that you take a look at the Terms and Conditions page. After filling in all the fields, click the Sign Up button. You should have received a verification email to the email address you provided. Check your email address and click the verification link sent to you. If you haven't yet decided which plan to purchase, click Continue without a plan. As you can see, we have successfully created a TuneCore account. I hope this How to Create a TuneCore Account tutorial video was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the Slaya YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.